Okay, this video is for how to show you change ONEgo logo. Okay, in model ONEgo OG-AD910 or one IPS version, IPS and no IPS version. Okay, you have to, let me show you for the file first. Okay, this one. You have to crop a JPEG file to the resolution 1024x600 PNG file and rename the picture, the PNG file to this one, logo.png. Okay, this is the boot logo file. Okay, how to update logo? Have to go to setting, scroll down, system, about car, local update. So local update will auto detect. It's got a click for the logo, so you have to update, start update, upgrade successful. So boot logo will already changed. Thank you.